In this video, we'll look at the asset template control. The asset template will only be available if a virtual view has been created within the Canary system or assets are defined. When we drag the control onto the screen, we're immediately prompted to select the virtual view of choice, then select an asset type that is defined in that view. Doing so will populate the template with a panel for each asset instance of the given type that contains an asset label displaying its path. We can adjust the size of the panel or move the asset label. Any adjustment made to one panel is replicated across the rest. We'll see that more as we begin to drop other controls into the template. Let's start by adding a donut gauge. When we browse for a tag to link the gauge to, the template narrows the scope to only display the tags of the given asset type. And so pretty quickly, we can start building a template that propagates across all assets. Let's add a few more controls. We'll start by linking the panel itself to a tag, which we can use to set a limit. With our template finished, we can now add a filter in the header if we want to focus on specific asset instances or sort them by a particular tag. For this example, I'm only concerned about those assets whose state tag is 0 and flow is less than 10,000. For more information on other filtering options, users can visit our Help Center page and search for how to filter asset templates. The refresh button in the top right will force the template to reevaluate the filter. Otherwise, a template refresh interval can be provided, which will automatically reevaluate the filter based on the set time. Let's use a 5-minute refresh rate. The timestamp in the bottom left corner displays the last time the template was refreshed. The template filter contains the text used in the filter in the header. A user can adjust the filter here if choosing to disable the header's visibility. The footer can also be disabled. Finally, we can set the number of asset instances that appear in each page of the template. If the number of assets exceeds this value, navigation arrows will appear in the footer, allowing the user to navigate to the next set of assets. So that's all for the asset template. Thanks for watching.